Good afternoon and welcome to today's very quick video. So we're basically finishing off what we started last week with my nightmare replacement for the idler. So what I've actually done during the week is I've purchased some rubber renew fluid, and I had quite a successful day with that yesterday on one of my Betamax machines, the C7, which has officially completed that project. So I thought I'd have another go with this machine here. So I had to strip down and get the cradle out of the way, as you can see here. I then took this rubber renew, put it onto a cotton bud or Q-tip, and then just worked it around the take-up spool and the supply spool, and also the idler and the motor which drives the idler. After sorting all of this, I quickly reassembled the machine temporarily by just putting the cradle back in, stuck in the tape, and then tested the tape for fast forwarding and rewinding. So basically on this particular deck, if you fast forward a tape all the way to the end, it will automatically rewind again. So I allowed it to go through one complete fast forward rewind cycle. I then tested playback and also tested fast forward search and rewind search. Fast forward search worked very well. Rewind search didn't work quite as well, so it may need a bit more exercise until it actually really sort of comes into its own. I also, even though you can get them fairly easy, just treated the belt on loading unit to a bit of lubrication or some rubber renew as well. But ultimately I'll be replacing that belt at some point. But for the moment the machine is working, and it is working a lot better than it did last week. So overall, pretty pleased with the results. Anyway, if you have found this video, or rather this quick video, interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, and also consider subscribing for more upcoming fascinating hobbies. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.